Welcome back to the Brent Bruce Daily for October the 19th, 2022. It is now about 3:40 p.m. Central Time, and take a look at those numbers there on the mortgage-backed security, down 66 basis points. Unfortunately, we are really breaking below that floor of support that we were hoping had been created. We were really hoping to stay above that recent floor of support that I was showing yesterday. We're going to take a look at that in just a moment. We're going to take a look at how this is affecting our interest rates, and if we did finally break into that 7.0 interest rate on the Brent Bruce Daily 30-year fixed. And also want to make sure that you have liked and subscribed to the YouTube channel, because I'm going to be putting a video out about 2-1 buy downs. So this is becoming one of the most popular products right now, the 2-1 interest rate buy down. And what I'm finding is that most people, even loan officers and lenders, don't know how it works and what that benefit might be. This is especially advantageous to those of us that follow the markets, because we can talk to our clients about why we feel the 2-1 buy down option is safe, or could be very safe, if interest rates come down in the next year to 2 years. So make sure that you check out that video that's going to be coming out. So let's take a look here at the markets and see where we are at with our interest rates. So look at between the time that I screenshotted that 66 basis points and now, we are currently down 81 to our lowest point of the day so far. And look at the 10-year treasury, currently up 14 basis points, convincingly above 4%, which is not what we wanted to see. So let's take a look here at the chart on the mortgage-backed security so we can get a feel for where this is. Now below this floor of support that was right here, we were liking this floor, convincingly below that now. Unfortunately, we have a lot of room to go down. So we really need to see something that turns us around to get us back above this what is now ceiling, and to create it, make it be a floor for us again. So if we take a look at the 10-year, let's take a look here. You can see we're convincingly above that 4.0, really creeping up, getting close to that 420, which is really, we don't want to be there at all. So mortgage-backed securities and 10-year treasury not treating us very well today. So how is that affecting us on our home loan interest rate? So let's go ahead and run the scenario for the Brent Bruce Daily to see if that is staying under 7%, which is what we've been able to do so far. Where are we right now? Under 7%. We're at 6.999 on the Brent Bruce Daily, showing a little bit of a lender credit. However, if we see this number continue to drop before the market closes, so it's 3:40 p.m. Central Time, the bond market closes at 4 o'clock p.m. Central Time, we could see an intraday reprice for the worst that could push us over that 7.0%. Well, look at it's just dropping back down to 78. So you see how fluid the market is. It moves quite a bit. So let's open this up here, take a look at the scenario for compliance perspectives. There you go. That's our compliance. That's what we're looking at. Very well qualified 30-year fixed mortgage. All right. If we were to want to pay some points, let's take a quick look at this. I mean, if you were to pay 1 point, you're really only getting to 6.625. I mean, if you paid 3 points, you're about 6.125, still not getting back into the fives. So we have a long way to go before we're going to get back into the fives. So unfortunately, having a bad day in the mortgage-backed security market, but you can see how the banks are trying to hold on to the Brent Bruce Daily, that scenario, that setup that I have an agreement with banks and how, I price my business. They're really trying to stay below that 7.0. Now, you may be hearing 7.25, 7.3, 7.5, who knows, with other lenders. But this scenario right here, we're trying to stay below that 7.0. And so far, we've been able to hold on to it. So we will see what happens tomorrow with having a really rough day today. Hopefully, we'll hold on to it again. I will keep you posted. Watch out for the video on the 2-1 buy down. Have a great day.